Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I want to do a review about ZyberSwap. This is a DX, a new DX on the Arbitrum ecosystem, and it's doing great things, and I think we could have a very big opportunity investing in this token right now. Has been pumping like crazy, and we are going to cover that chart. And I'm going to tell you why I think this token still could do 10x's in the short term. I am talking about weeks or a couple of months only, even in these market conditions. If you are looking for those gems in the Arbitrum ecosystem, this video is for you. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, ZyberSwap is one of those gems of the Arbitrum ecosystem and is really under the radar right now. I was aware of this project just because some of the members on my Discord comment me about ZyberSwap on the launch, so I have been following since there, investing a little bit on the token. So I want to share what I research about this and what I think about this project and the token, especially for some speculation on the price action on the short term. Basically, ZyberSwap is a DX on Arbitrum and just launched like 1 month ago, so it's super new, but in only that amount of time has been positioned itself in position 4th on TVL in the Arbitrum ecosystem. So these are not only my words, you can go and check it by yourself. You need to go to defijama.com, and if you check the Arbitrum chain, you will see here ZyberSwap at position 4th. This is a native DX for Arbitrum. You can see that above them we have SushiSwap, Uniswap version 3, which are cross blockchains, and we have GMX, which is for Arbitrum and for Avalanche. And if you see this, you can see that ZyberSwap has 117 million in TVL and has been growing like crazy day after day. And GMX, which is one of the biggest projects that we have in a Arbitrum ecosystem, it's only 5x's on TVL from ZyberSwap that only has been here for 1 month. But ZyberSwap is doing everything right, guys. All the times have new announcement of improvements. The TVLs are like crazy. Some important points, they have a great trade experience. Everything is working super fine. The crazy farming and vaults and stakes APR and APY are crazy, guys. I am staking there, I am using the vaults. The percentage are really amazing. They will have a launch pad soon, so you are going to be able to get into projects there. And they also have a referral program. And in terms of tokenomics, I love what I see here. And you can see that right now it's at 13.59 each token. And if you check all the chart here from the history from the 6-5 of February, you can see that the chart is going really bullish, but actually it's creating some consolidations and some healthy uptrends. So even if we are seeing this parabolic uptrend, which this is a chart in a 4-hour time frame, this is a parabolic uptrend. You can see the parabol draw here, but it's a healthy one. I am not seeing this running just in a straight line to the upside. So yeah, we are going parabolic, but in a healthy way. Anyways, I am marking here some support and resistance areas. Of course, if we break this parabola to the downside, we are a little bit in trouble for a retracement. Also, I think this level has a lot of confluence, which is a $9.41. Between $9 and $10, I think we could have some reversal to that point. You can see that the RSI, even if it was parabolic and we reach this point of 80, you can see that we have higher highs and higher lows, but this is a healthy uptrend. So that doesn't mean that we need to go straightly to the downside again. We could come back, test the $10 and continue the price up. But yes, we are overextended in all the different common indicators like RSI, stock RSI and MACD. But the chart is looking really nice for the short term that this coin has been alive. And I was about to talk about the tokenomics. You can see the max supply, it's only 20 million tokens, guys. That is less than the Bitcoin max supply, so that is crazy. With 20 million tokens only, the price right now $13.46. A couple of days ago, guys, was $8, and before that it was $3, and before that it was just cents. They launched the token already, so we don't have any airdrop for this. This is a review of the project only. But you can see also that the market cap is $8 million, guys, which is nothing in this crypto space. So already been in position 4 on the TVL for Arbitrum, and only with a market cap of 8 million. With a 20 million token max supply, guys, this is an amazing tokenomics for some speculations on the price action. And yes, in the thumbnail I put that $100 is possible. I still think that $100 for this token, it could really happen even in weeks or a couple of months only, besides any market conditions. And all the tokenomics makes this $100 really possible. So we are talking about a 10x in a coin that already has been doing 20, 30 and 40 x's since the launch in less than 1 month. So this is one of those rare occasions that I get a little hype about the project, and I really don't want to talk about the long term of this project. I am not that kind of analyst. We can say that many tokens are going to be good to hodl for 3, 4 or 5 years, but I think that that is an horrible strategy and that is not the way to make money in crypto. So I am trying to focus this on the short term and middle term. So for these guys, I would recommend you, even if it's not an airdrop, to follow them on Twitter. The link for this post is going to be on the description of the video. Follow the Discord also. And here, the step 3, you have the link for the app. And please use my referral link. They have a referral program that you also can use. I have not been paid for this project to review it. But if you use the referral link when you log in here to the application, it will help me also and support the channel. And the step 4, guys, on this project review is that ZyberSwap has a crew 3. And it's not any crew 3. Actually, it's super big, guys. I think this is crazy that they launched this. And I didn't have any concrete answer why someone is going to take this amount of work just for support the project. So it could be a hidden airdrop here, guys, or maybe the team is thinking to reward users that complete the crew 3 task. Because if not, I think this is a lot of quests to do just for supporting the project without any perspective of airdrop. But again, I didn't get any official information or any secret about the completion of this crew 3. But if you are willing to do this, you can support, of course, the project sharing awareness. Another thing why I think this could really pump is, guys, if you go to the Twitter, they only have 9,000 followers, guys. For a project of this magnitude, with this current price, those tokenomics, and being the 4th project with more TVL on Arbitrum, which is more than 1 billion, this could be easily in 100k followers. So the awareness of this project is really low. I think with this video I am helping, of course, the awareness of the project. But that kind of awareness, of course, is going to impact in the price. If they continue doing everything like they are doing, I think those $100 per token could really happen. And you will see in the coming launch in approximately 1 week, this is from February 17, they are going to increase the trading volume, higher APRs, they are going to reduce the ZYB emissions, and better trading efficiency. So more updates for the user experience on ZyberSwap is coming soon. Like I mentioned before, the yield farms are crazy here, the amount of money that you can do with the different earning options that ZyberSwap has. So go into the app, and please, when you connect here, use the link here of the description or in the post. I will put there so you support the channel. This is an Arbitrum, so each trade that you do here is going to help you also for the Arbitrum airdrop. So like I mentioned, you have crazy yield farming opportunities, you can stake different pools, and the vaults are really great if you want to put your Zyber tokens for 37 days or without lockup. You can see the percentage of APR that you can do just in 1 month. It's like crazy. More information about all this on the dashboard. You can use the refer program for yourself also. but if you use my link, you support the channel. The launchpad, it will be really soon, so projects are coming soon. So I really see a future for this project, and you have a leaderboard here if you want to join. You just need to click and enter with your address. This is a cyber trading competition, and the prize pool is $1,500, so you can start trading here if you are doing it anywhere else. And again, market cap 8,600,000 only, TVL 122 million. So if you're looking for those gems in the crypto space, I think the Arbitrum ecosystem still is one of the biggest, and many projects on Arbitrum and Optimism in layer 2 solutions are pumping like crazy, besides any market conditions. So guys, this is the review for ZyberSwap. I really think that the $100 is not out of the question right now for this Arbitrum DX. In position 4 of TVL on all the Arbitrum ecosystem. The awareness of this project is just beginning, only 1 month of existence, and the token is continue scaling in price. Even if we are doing it parabolic, I think it's very healthy right now. So that is all for ZyberSwap. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.